had our first down year in more than a decade for values, and we had a big down year for sales volume. We had the lowest number of sales in 11 years. So it was a bad year, but the market was surprisingly resilient when you think about, are we in a recession? Are we not? That's a headline, right? Is the economy good? Is it bad? That's a headline. But the reality was we had the worst affordability that we've had in 40 years. At one point, we had 8% interest rates. And for the year, we averaged somewhere in the sixes, which we still have. So we'll have to give some commentary on that. But the market was surprisingly resilient. My favorite thing to say for the last 2 years, 24 months, is the Portland metro area has had 26 years of appreciation in the last 30. And now I have to say 25 years in the last 30. Because in 2023, question we get the most when people say, how's the market? What are they really asking? What happened with my value? The average home seller sold for less. The average home buyer bought for less in 2023 than 2022. And that number was a 2.1% decrease from $610,900 in 2023 to $598,000. The median sales price dropped 3% from $548,400 to $532. That's resilient. When you think about all the negative things that happened, the fear, the uncertainty that you were talking about. So, that's what comes to mind for me is when we zoom out on housing, always looks like a beautiful investment, right? You buy a house in 2023, even 2022, if you lost some value, if you hold on to that property for a decade, you will perceive yourself as a genius.